but we're gonna pull it kind of like right there into your brush pile, okay? Why not? These guys aim to please YouTube. What a good crew I have right now. We come to work, we laugh, we joke, we play, we talk about Luke's nipples. Hey! For maximum stability. So we got 3 tie-ins right here running. I'll just redirect the line over this limb right here that I'm on over this side. I'll throw it right down to you. What's wrong, Luke? Did you choke on a bug? That bug's in your lungs crawling around, Luke. Would you look at that, YouTube? We got another big tree for you. It's a big old red oak. And we got some, you know, some obstacles to work around. We got the shed here, got a house here, got some other good concrete guys right there, you know. Contractors. Got to watch out for everything. So anyways, we got the BC 1000 here. She's brand new. We're going to put her to the test with this tree, folks. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the top. Got a light there, YouTube. We got it set up there. We got our first rigging ring up right here. We got the guys down there putting the porter wrap on, and I think I'm gonna go over here and get this stuff first. I think that'd be a wise choice. So I'm gonna mosey on down. We'll get that lowest one right there first. Tell you what, I'll just redirect the line over this limb right here that I'm on, over this side. I'll throw it right down to you. What's wrong, Luke? Did you choke on a bug? Did you inhale a bug? You all right, brother? That's the worst, YouTube, when you inhale a bug. I'm already gonna have to bleep that out. But YouTube's gonna see it. Yeah, I hate them, dude. Them are the worst. Goes straight down in the windpipe.
Can't wait to see that video.
Yeah. YouTube, it's not too often I break out the other end of my line here. Actually got the hitch climber on there, and it's one of them limited editions they sold a few years ago. Hardly ever use it. It's basically brand new. Followed up with the Valdaton Tress there and a little monkey knot. But for some of you, you might know that I've got the long lanyard, you know, and some of you might not know about it. I only use it every once in a while, and this is just one of them every once in a while type of moments, because I'm going to try to weasel down there and get into that there branch. Let's just give me a little bit of stability for the positioning. Go ahead and get all that slack out there. That bug's in your lungs crawling around, Luke. Help me, help me. Yeah, just like that, YouTube. See what the advantages of a long lanyard are? Helps with positioning a lot. Just FYI, I spliced this rope myself. For yous that don't know, I will splice a rope. This is Blaze. It's a style of double braid, and it's really not too bad to splice, but if it's used like this is, it's pretty tough to splice. But to bury that splice, that's the hardest part, YouTube. But anyways, I want to tie this limb on. We'll cut her off. Now, to keep this from swinging out towards me, YouTube, you know, and going with the old behind the back maneuver, I've ran it through this crotch so it'll redirect itself down into that fork. It's getting ready to come off this little stub here, so just lower it on down. It's going to get dangerous for Luke. Lower it on down. There you go. You're good. Thank you. Nice job. All right, there you go, Red. Okay. That's nice. Yeah. We got us a bowline right here, a running bowline, YouTube. And I'll cinch that up. And we put a little half hitch in here. That's really gonna just give another bite on that branch. And it's ready. Yeah, I get it. I don't like water neither. Essential. The old whippersnapper. Look at that 1000 down there. It's just eating, boy. Woohoo! Eating. Close to that porch. Well, this one's kind of over the corner of the house, YouTube. We're going to hinge it out towards the chipper. So here we are again, YouTube, utilizing both climb lines, And I've got this one here. I'm gonna take them in 2 pieces at the fork. We got a light down there. I'm gonna have to watch out for the light, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna get a little 2-in-1 action going on here, YouTube, for maximum stability. So we got 3 tie-ins right here running. Well, that worked out pretty good. We're gonna get up there and we're gonna get over there. We're gonna peel the top off and we're gonna pull this tree over that way, YouTube. And just a stick in the mud. It's just a stick in the mud. Well, YouTube, we just about got this tree smoked. It's just about history. This is one of the last limbs on the tree. Then we got the tie-in and the top right there. And, you know, that's the easiest one out of the whole tree. So, second to last limb. Second to last lead, I should say. Lead. This tree is going to be history. That wasn't bad. We got that, and I think I'm just gonna, like, you know, salami cut them and just let them lawn dart straight down into the yard. We'll chunk that stick down, to about the same height as them other ones. We'll tie the red rope in there and baboosh, we're gonna pull it down right over there. That's always a rush. You guys like swinging around in your trees, YouTube? Because I do. The top, YouTube, and I've got the blue rope tied in here. I've got the rope runner set up, DRT, and I'm gonna go down there and cut this thing, and they're gonna pull it right over this way. I cut a window out right there of the logs. That way this top will fall right down in there where we need it. Well, there you have it, YouTube. We're up at the top. We've got the tie-in out and reset here, DRT with the Rope Runner Pro. We've got the blue line tied here, and we're gonna go down there and we're gonna cut this thing. And I've knocked out a little window right here and cut them logs out of the way so we can put this top right there. So thank you guys for coming along. We really appreciate your company. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like on the video. It greatly helped me out. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Let's pull this top first. You guys have to weasel that rope out and around, but we're gonna pull it kind of like right there into your brush pile, okay? Why not? These guys aim to please, YouTube. What a good crew I have right now. We come to work, we laugh, we joke, we play. We talk about Luke's nipples. Hey! Make sure you got it. Give it a little test tug, guys. See if you got it. Oh, yeah. I'll have you both on it, okay? And that's how the cookie crumbles.
We told you you're not allowed out of that tree until it's down. No.
Yeah, my mama told me I didn't listen well neither. I couldn't tell you till it's down.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You have to count the rings. That's a true thing, you know. YouTube. The tree's on the ground. Thank you guys for coming. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave it a like. Check out the channel. Consider subscribing. We'll see you guys on the next one.